Okay, let's try and get another win in to try and get to 2100 on the 5 minute auto pairing. Right. Okay. AreBelongToUS. Let's try. What about wing gambit or something, just to add a bit of spice. B4. See what this does. Sometimes it's quite good, just to get the centre, maybe. It's D5 here, if I've already got him confused, because 95 and bishop B5 could be fun. If he plays 95, I play knight takes. That's a bit of fun, actually, humour to the position. Actually, this bishop's not bad already. I think this bishop G4 is not good here. So he's going back. Right. How do I capitalise on this? Maybe just E5. Takes, queen, bishop takes, bishop B5. Or simpler, A3, just for A file. Go for A file. Bishop B5 though, first, just to see if he'd play bishop D7. If knight D7, H3, then maybe G4 if bishop H5, then E5. Interesting. I don't know. I'm tempted with this check, just to see if knight D7. So H3 now. Okay. So actually this take. Okay. I won't worry about this bishop being a bit of a liability, but E5 is looking interesting. This is congestion anyway over here. So I can get in knight takes and G5, then this bishop will not be defending D7. In fact, G5 immediately, so takes, G5 immediately, and then, because there's no chance then for A6, as I say, plays A6 immediately. Okay, so bishop A4, there's B5, bishop B3, knight moves, play that anyway. Play that anyway. Alright, I think I've got to do something about that. I think there's bishop C3, isn't there? Okay. It's gone a bit crazy, this game. But haven't I got knight E5 now? If knight takes D5, I was knight E5, the rook's hanging. But bishop D7 and knight E5. Okay, so bishop takes D7, then knight E5. Check, then maybe F3. Unless there's anything I'm missing here. Right, rook G1, there's knight C3, there's queen D7. So rook G1, or is this the time to take on D7? Maybe it is. I'll take on D7 here, just to leave the king in the centre. So rook G, this is exciting. Rook G1, so I might be threatening, I don't know, all sorts of things. Rook A4, rook G4, knight E5 is on the cards. But rook G4 here, how is the queen protecting D5? How is the queen protecting D5? I'll play rook G4. Queen's got no queen C4 check. Actually, that's better than rook A4, because rook A4, you know, takes queen D5, it's not so clear, is it? But rook G4, there's no queen C4 check. I just want to win D5. Strange game, strange win gambit. It seems to go completely wrong for black after bishop g4. Okay. How to proceed here? Queen takes b7 is a tasty option. That will provide mind you, rook won't like too much pressure. What about rook c4? There's bishop d3. What about getting this king out? Just a bit of safety for the king. I'll play king g2 for a sec. Trying to get the king a bit safe. Can't develop these two pieces, so that's pretty good news development wise. What about something just like bishop e5 takes knight e5? Ah. Okay, still, if I take and then bishop e5. Mind you, his rook's now developed. Ah. Okay, so bishop e5 here. As long as there's no bishop e4, if I take... no, maybe this is not right because rook d8. Rook d8. Okay. Ah. Isn't there knight d4 here to attack the queen and f5? I think knight d4, there's no check. There's no check. Crazy game. So a minute. Okay, I've still got a minute. So there's no immediate check. So queen d would pin. No, I just take. No queen d3. There's queen d3. There's rook a3. Rook a3. I could lose the knight, but knight f. Oh, it's giving up the queen. That doesn't look too sound. Although takes carries on. Maybe knight e3 just to try and defend g2 and d1 actually. Oops. Okay, so queen sack. Rook d8. Let's imagine rook d8. That's dangerous for d1. What about just queen f3? Okay, knight e3 to protect. d1 and g2 looks good. I just want to get these guys out now. How would I do that? Maybe just knight c3 is a normal move, just to get the knight in to say e4. Okay, I'm taking on b7. We're attacking. If I attack that bishop for a sec, still protecting d1 as well. Right now I start developing to try and play like knight e4. Right, where do I want the king? Ah, that's a bit of a pain. Can I play like rook c8 if bishop c? It's getting a bit bad for getting mated on. Actually, there's a queen f8. I'm going to end up getting mated or something here. But queen, bishop e4, queen f8 takes. Oh, blimey. This is getting really, really dangerous. It's like I can't take this seriously, but it is really dangerous. This I can't take it seriously. That bishop. 26 seconds. Why did I do that? Just allows bishop c5. 21 seconds. Oh, can I get knight f6 in? Is that any good? Nope. Ah, it's checked to win the rook. 15 seconds. 9. 5. Oh well. It was crushing for a while, but then time pressure. Ah dear. But then, I don't know, there was this episode where it was getting really dangerous here. So takes, Queen F8 takes, Rook C8 was avoided by him. Natural looking Bishop E4, Queen F8. So instead, he plays check. Causes problems. So if I can play King E1, I get mated. Wow. Ah, amazing. Amazing game. Oh well, oh well. Yeah, comments or questions? Okay, thanks very much.